Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more video. And for today's video, we are going to react to Ruel Carino and Riza May Dizon singing Night Changes na request ng isang audience. So may nag-request nito sa akin and then ngayon ko lang siya ginawa yung video. And then without further ado, let's go!
And Ruel.
Maganda to guys kasi isa to sa favorite kong song, Night Changes.
Oh!
Wow!
Yes!
Ay, lalapit-lapit ka, ikaw na pakanta.
Kaya mo?
Tapos si Ruel yung kakanta, tsaka si Riza.
Ata.
Ako hindi ko
Ito, dito natin makikita kung ano. Kasi si Ruel, di ba, syempre nasanay tayo. Lalo na ako, nasanay ako na ang kanta ni Ruel is yung mga pang-oldies. But this time, Night Changes is like for new generation. So let's see.
kaya. Ay, kaya eh. Duet. Own it, Riza
Go,
Me.
Riza.
Night.
Oh my God. Ito pala yung segment nila na pwedeng mag-request yung mga audience.
Changes.
Night changes.
Ah. Excited ako, guys. Sandali. First time ko maririnig si Ruel kumanta ng iba dun sa kanta na lagi niya kinakantang mga genre.
Going out tonight changes into
Ang ganda rin nun, ulitin natin. Sandali. Okay.
going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of
Grabe. Ganda rin ng boses ni Ruel kahit sa ibang kanta. Pag maganda talaga boses mo, no? Regardless kung anong genre, basta maganda boses mo, for sure maganda rin yung kanta.
dress. Everything she's never had, she's sewing on.
Go Ruel. Oh my God.
Driving too fast.
Go Riza. Oh my God.
Is breaking through her hair. She's heading.
Napalaban si Riza, pero in fairness kay Riza, nasa tono. Ayun naman ang importante guys, no? Basta nasa tono tayo, go na.
For something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants.
Oh my God. Kahit ano, no, kinikilabutan naman ako. Ano ba yun? Ulitin natin yun, guys. Sandali lang. Yung, ano na yun.
Driving too fast. Moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that
In fairness kay Riza, kaya niya rin kumanta talaga.
she really wants.
Oh my God, magduduet na sila.
We're only getting older, baby.
Yes, ah.
Been thinking about it lately.
Partida to guys, wala silang rehearse dito. Kasi nga, syempre, on the spot to eh. Impromptu na kantahan. Go Riza, go Ruel.
Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast?
Oh my God, sana magkaroon din sila ng ganito, no? Live kantahan with Bimbi and Riza. Tapos sana ipasok nila yung ipasok nila guys yung Broadway Boys. My God, grabe, hindi ako makamubol sa performance ng mga nakaraan.
Tonight changes
Go Ruel.
everything that you've ever dreamed of.
Ang swerte ng mga nasa studio palagi kapag lagi may ganito, no? Kasi libre yung show, oh my God, libre yung concert.
Disappearing when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid
Oh my God, Night Changes.
of. Even when the night changes,
Oh my God, nakakaloka talaga to.
it'll never change me and you.
Ang galing naman nila dun, guys.
Bossing ka.
I want more. Ulitin natin. Kasi parang ang onti nung kanta nila. Parang hindi, ulitin natin.
Ikaw na pakanta.
Kaya mo?
Ata.
Ako hindi ko kaya.
Kita mo, ngayon ko lang napansin. Sabi niya pala, Ruel, kaya mo. Si Ruel yung dinner ni Rice.
Kaya eh. Duet. Own it, Riza Me.
Night.
So lahat talaga sila, no? Kapag sinabi ng audience na gusto ko ang kumanta sa ganito, wala silang choice kundi kantahin yun, no? Paano pala pag hindi mo alam yung kanta?
Changes.
Night changes.
Pero knowing Ruel, kayang-kaya nila ni Rice yun.
Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother
Ang lakas ng karisma ni Rowell, no? Grabe. Ang lakas ng sex appeal niya.
doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she's never had, she's showing off.
Partida, hindi nila masyado kabisado yung song kasi nahalata eh. Pero maganda pa rin ang boses talaga ni Rowell.
Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't
Alam mo, lahat ng mga partner kay Raisa, lahat ng itandem sa kanya, parang nakakakilig na tuloy lahat, no? Kahit sino na lang.
forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants.
At tinatanong niya si Bossing kung okay. Siguro tinatanong niya, okay ba yung ano?
We're only getting older,
Sumabay ako, sorry.
but I'm thinking about it lately.
Meron siguro silang binabasa dun sa harap, yung ano, parang sa video okay.
Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night
Nagkaka-chills ako, guys. Nagugusbang pa rin ako sa kanta na yun.
changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up.
Diyan mo masasabi na pag singer ka talaga, kahit anong kanta iba to sa'yo, kakantahin mo. Basta alam mo yung tono.
But there's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It'll
Nakakatuwa naman yung mga ganitong session, parang harana session.
never change.
Me and you.
Kaya sa nag-request
You
nito
want
sa akin, yes, we want
Bossing,
more.
can I?
No more.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sorry guys, no more.
Umalis.
Masyado na kayo nakakalibre ng concert. Ayan guys, so hanggang dito na lang ang video natin and thank you so much sa nag-request nito. Sana nagustuhan mo and pasensya na kayo kung medyo nalilate ako recently mag-post ng video kasi nandito ako ngayon sa Houston. But anyway, thank you for watching my videos and sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel Raven Life and Travel and click the notification button. Bye!
She's showing off.